Hey guys, welcome to the Taco Garage one more time. Today we're going to be showing you how to change your tail lights. It's a pretty easy job, so we figured we would let you know in a quick video. First thing you want to do is get into your bed because those are removed from the inside. So let's go ahead and get in. You're going to need some tools. Actually, just one tool. It's a 10mm socket or a wrench. It's easier if you have a drill motor with a 10mm socket. That'll make your life a lot easier and the job a lot quicker. Once you're inside your bed, all you got to do is take out this screw and this one down here. So this is on the very top of the light. This is, of these two, the bottom one. You may need a little bit of force to pull this slide out. This truck is a little bit older. We've removed the light a bunch of times to do one thing or another. So it was pretty easy to take out, but if you have to put some force into it, don't be afraid to. There's nothing really that will break. So once you take those two screws out, you should be able to put some force into it and the light will come out. Next thing you gotta do is unplug the connectors. So you got this one down here. It's a little bit of a tab right there. This top one and this one on the top as well. And your light is out. So this is the light that we're going to be replacing our stock lights with. It's a pretty cool design. It's mostly blacked out, as you can see, which is what I was looking for. So if you are interested in this kind of light, and you'll see how it works in a minute, but if you are interested, check out the description below. It'll have a link to buy these. I'm sure you can figure out the installation process. It's pretty simple, basically reverse of the removal. So first thing you want to do is plug the lights in. Nothing fancy here. Just plug in all of the connectors that you had on before to the new light. And they only fit in one of the connectors, so there's no messing this up. Once you have everything plugged in, just tuck the wires back into the cavity. Slide the light into the right location and push in. Once everything is lined up, throw the screws back into place and tighten them up with your 10mm. So both sides are installed already, mirror of each other. I don't need to explain both sides, but they're both on, so I'm going to show you how they work now, because it is a little special. First, I'm going to show you the standard functions of the taillight. So if you click the open button or the unlock on your key fob, they just light up normally. The whole C shape turns on. Same thing if you lock it. Oh, it won't do it because the door is open, but it does the same thing just once. And now I'm going to turn on the headlights and you'll see what happens. As you can see, there's a little bit of a light show when you first turn on your headlights, which is pretty cool, but that's not it. We also have the reverse lights, which I'll show you now. All right, so that's it for this video. Obviously a short one because this is a very easy install. But if you do want to see something else, let us know in the comments below. We're looking for topics to record in the future. So if you want to see something, let us know. Put a comment down there. Go. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, subscribe and follow us on our social media.